Yeah, we got a smoke leak in our house there. I need some sealant and better screws. But I put the power to it. I've got a buckboard back here. We're putting 20, but we're only putting about half voltage right now. I'm just doing it, you know, just warming everything, but everybody's getting warmed up, you see. We're doing half throttle here and about half throttle over there. So we're like 25% maybe of the power and the speed, and it's smoking like crazy. So I might have to cut that down a little bit. I got to get a smaller screwdriver. But the systems are working the way they should. I've reworked the grounds and everybody seems to be happy. Do not have the sound system hooked in. This was a get the motor running and make sure we have forward and reverse and auto stop and such as that. So if I crank this up, it gets a little twitchy on me. This board seems to get a little unhappy and have to do a restart. Now there is an e-stop in here if it doesn't get a pulse from the base, or if it has some safety in it. So our safety may be you know, a little on the the hair trigger edge, so it's stopping faster than it needs to, but that's better than not, okay? These are single side pickup, meaning there's two wheels on each side to pick up. It's not all-wheel pickup like I normally like to get, but I just wanted to do a vintage engine with a vintage smoke and then see what level 2 can do with it. You're hearing the smoke. Smoke's cutting out now. I'm betting you it's overheated. Yep, it's hot. So we can probably unplug that and save ourselves a little grief later. If I can, without getting burned. Yeah, I can. I've been here before. As you note, the engine picks up speed a little bit. Oh, see how it stops and starts. Well, we'll just have to look into that. I'm not sure. That's part of why I'm doing this test here, to see. It's supposed to pick up. If it loses signal, it's supposed to pick up. And it's not sharing. It's not sharing why it's not getting signal. It's just dropping, it seems. The antenna is facing this way and this way, but we're good enough. We shouldn't, well, the transformers here, I don't know, we'll see. I may need to move this thing around a little more and test that. Well, but if it's on the rails, you know, it's going to have to get used to it. So we'll see. I'll put more sensors and LEDs and things like that on to make sure we know what we got. But I thought I had it running, it was smoking. You guys might want to see that, and we can figure it out as we go. So you slow it down and you can change direction and you instantly take off in the other direction. That's how it's supposed to work. Now, that's at 50%. Let's try it at 75 and see if we get the same. Oh, it's having hiccups, but it picks up. But it's not picking up now. Could be this wheels are dirty. I did clean them, but I didn't do a super clean job. I need to put that test light on so I can see if it's loses the packet sends coming in here. Should get a packet every 100th of a second or some baloney. I don't know. We see a light flickering and we know we're communicating, right? So that'll be the test. You hear that hiccup now and again, yeah? I'll turn that over to tech support and see what they think. That's not full speed. Oh, now it's locked in. Now it's locked into full speed. Now it's not. All right. So we're getting something here that's not perfect. It's always a danger. But you know, you can't go full speed. That's not bad. Nice and smooth until it's not. I have a electric, it should work. Let me see if it works. Oh yeah. This is our emergency stop button over here, this red button, E-stop. You push that, everything stops. You shut it down, hit the reset, and then you can take off again. In case it does run away on you. It shouldn't run away on you, but it just might not behave, like right there, just not behaving. I come down, sit for a moment, come back up. Nope, it's not doing it. So let's worry about that another day. I'm not going to make it on the rails. I mean, I could go on the rails, but if it did this, it wouldn't be exciting. If it was pulling a load, you wouldn't know what was going on. If it can handle any... Oh, it can't even handle me getting close to it. I got twitchy on me there. Okay. Try it one more time. Oh yeah, it can handle a load. I'm pressing it pretty good, and it said, no, you're not. You're not stopping me. I think it's dropping packets, but I'm not sure what or why. Oh, it could be the frequency we need to change or something like that. I remember hearing something about that. All right. Well, I'll get back to you, tell you how it's going, what's new. This is the handheld. This is the base unit. That's the mobile unit. Every engine would get something like this. It's going to be a lot neater. We're going to design and print these boards here, so they'll be our boards, and they'll bolt down nice and flush. These are purchased, store-bought kind of things. So is this piece here, store-bought. So it'll be custom assembly and wiring, but all the bits and pieces. You're not going to be getting a PC board that I assembled. Level 1, we did that. And it took a long time. Dan did a great job, but it does take time. Now what? I don't know. There it is. It gets mad and it shuts off. I don't know why. Well, I can hook up a detector, hook up a feedback and get that figured out. It's 10 to 5. I might get something on this. I'll see. But you saw it first time, first day on track, on the rollers with smoke. There it was. Gets mad at us now and again. Okay, there you go. We'll figure it out and get back to you later.